Hi, superstars. Today we'll be talking about how to start a successful perfume oil business in Nigeria, a step by step guide. So, if you're interested in starting a perfume oil business in Nigeria and a successful one at that, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you step-by-step guides. We have about 3 steps that will enable you start your business and make profits successfully. And by the end of this video, I'll tell you where you can get your perfume oils wholesale in Nigeria to start your perfume oil business. Okay, by the end of this video, you should be able to start that perfume oil business smoothly. All right, let's dive in. So first, you need to know that there's a growing demand for perfume oils in Nigeria. Perfume oil business is very profitable right now. Lots of people have come to realize that perfume oils are very concentrated and give them a strong lasting effect after use. So many people are now aware that most perfumes now have perfume oils in which, when used, they produce this refreshing scent that is like that of a king. So lots of people are going for perfume oils, and you know what, my superstars, it is affordable. It's in ranges for different sets of people. Okay, you have perfume oils in 2 meals, in 3 meals, in 4 meals, in 5 meals, 10 meals, 50 meals, 100 meals, what 500 meals. So there's something for everyone. And with that, as low as 2,000 naira, you can get a good perfume oil that makes you have a refreshing scent that leaves everyone turning. So lots of people are opting for perfume oils. And you know what, my superstars, with as low as 10,000 naira, you can start your perfume oil business in Nigeria. Yes, I'll show you. So with as low as 10,000 naira, you can start your perfume oil business in Nigeria and then grow from there. There's no startup capital. That's the advantage of starting a perfume oil business in Nigeria. But you know what? In order to succeed, there are 3 steps you need to follow step by step. All right. So the first step is that you need to understand your target market. Yes. Every business has its target market. Every business owner has its target market. Who are you going to sell your perfume oils to? Is it going to be people within the age range of 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s? You need to know this. Next, you need to know, is it going to be feminine or masculine people? Are your target audience going to be male or female? Okay, because we have male fragrances and we also have female fragrances. So you need to know, and if you have a mixed audience, a target market, you need to know which one is more. Is it the male, female market or the male market? So you know how you combine your fragrances when you're buying. If you're buying more of feminine scents or if you're buying more of masculine scents, okay, so you know what you are buying. Apart from that, you also need to know the trend. Yes, you need to know what's trending. Even perfumes have trending fragrances. Yes. Okay, once upon a time we had sugar. Okay, I don't want to say the full name. We had Tom, different fragrances, okay, and they are still trending, but day after day the list keeps increasing. People have better preferences, people have trending preferences. Someone will like say, I tried this and it's nice, it's beautiful, and everyone will suddenly start demanding for that particular one. Okay, so you have to be up to date on trending fragrances. When you are in fragrance business, you need to know what people love, what people prefer. Okay, and also, my superstars, you need to know how much your target market is earning. How much can they spend on perfume? Can they spend below 2,000 naira on perfume? Can they spend up to 5,000 naira on perfume? Can they spend up to 20,000 naira or 50,000 naira on perfume? Because we have perfume oils of different ranges. We have perfume oils from 2,000. That's for it, that any young person can just get and feel good, okay, and it's affordable for everyone. We also have fragrances ranging from 5,000. Okay, yeah, that's something people can afford. So you need to know what your target market is earning. So you don't just go buy a 50,000 naira perfume oil and come and keep it without seeing where to sell. Or you go buy a 20,000 naira perfume oil and you don't see someone to sell it out to. So you need to know how much and the capability of your target market. This all falls down into research. Before starting any business, you don't just run, go buy, come dump your money, and then sit back and be like, oh, how do I separate this? How do I pour it into smaller vials to be able to sell, and worry your head, which would have been sorted out in the research stage, okay? So these are the things you need to find out in the research stage before you get to the next step. So step number 2 is that you need to select perfume oils from reputable suppliers. Okay, so we have perfume oils that are very concentrated, purely concentrated. It's not mixed with anything. And we also have perfume oils that is mixed with alcohol to reduce the concentration and increase the quantity. Okay, so you need to know suppliers that give concentrated perfume oils, and you as someone in perfume oil business, you have to give your customers concentrated perfume oil. There's always the need to make more profit, so you need to be able to stop that greed and give your customers as it is. Lots of people add alcohol to perfumes to increase the quantity and reduce the concentration. Some people may not notice it. You wear the perfume for about 6 hours and it's gone. Okay, that's because it was mixed, it's not concentrated. But there are people who give you just the way it is. You wear perfume for 24 hours and your clothes is still giving that nice fragrance. Okay, so if you must make a mark in perfume oil business, you must give your customers the concentrated perfume oils and be satisfied with your profit. You know what this will do? It will give you referrals. It will draw people will keep returning. You keep having returning customers. Okay, so apart from giving good concentrated perfume oils to your customer, you need to consider packaging. Yes, you need to package your perfume in such a way that will attract your customers. We have very attractive vials for perfumes. We have beautifully shaped and designed bottle containers for perfumes. Go for the best. Go for beautiful things that will attract people to keep coming back over and over again. Invest in good bottles. The difference between a very flashy and a non-flashy bottle may be just 50 naira or 100 naira at most. Go for the best. This will attract people to keep buying from you because everyone wants a beautiful bottle sitting on his or her shelf or on his or her table looking sophisticated and all that. So go for good packaging. Okay, so apart from that, you also need to brand your perfumes. You need to, like, doesn't necessarily have to be expensive labels for a start. You could just go type the name with flashy colors and then paste it on the bottles. Okay, brand the bottles beautifully for a start. With time, you could upgrade, go for more sophisticated designs and all that. Okay, you need to brand your bottles. And apart from that, you may need to register with CAC, Corporate Affairs Commission. Okay, for a start, you could do it without registration. Okay, we know you're trying to make money, but with time, you may need to register your brand. So your brand will have, people will have confidence in your brand. People will have confidence in your businesses. All right, that takes us to step number 3. So number 3 is the most important aspect in perfume oil business. Okay, it's not enough to buy the best perfume oil or to package it, brand it. You must go for marketing. You must market your product. Okay, so sales is a game of numbers. The more people you reach, the more sales you make. So in order to reach a larger number of people and make more sales, you need to go into marketing. We have different types of marketing. We have social media marketing like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Okay, you can market on those platforms. Some you could market without ads, but at a point you may need to get ads, pay for ads on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter to reach a larger audience, okay, that will convert into sales and buy your perfume oil. Okay, so another medium of marketing is by word of mouth. Okay, when you sell a good perfume oil and someone uses it, someone will like ask, where did you get this, your fragrance? I love it. Okay, the person will now refer that person to you. That's why it's important that you sell a good and concentrated perfume oil. Okay, so word of mouth and referrals is another marketing strategy that can help you make more sales of your perfume oil. Next is by trade fair and exhibition. If you've watched my last video before this, I was at a trade fair where people were displaying various products made in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, and I saw lots of perfumes, perfume oils, all made in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, and people were buying. Okay, so you can go to trade fairs and exhibitions to exhibit your products and make sales. The next way is by influencing marketing. Okay, you could pay an influencer to use your perfume oils or to talk about your perfume oil business and then make sales. Okay, so these 4 ways are ways in which you can market your perfume to a larger audience and make sales. I'll be telling you finally places you can get perfume oils wholesale to sell. So are you with me, my superstars? In the meantime, please take a second to hit that subscribe button, like this video, okay? Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Okay, so now I'll be telling you where you can get perfume oils wholesale for perfume business. All right, so I'll be starting with the beginners. As a beginner starting perfume oil business in Nigeria, you need to start small. Yes, we have shops in every state where they sell perfume oils. Okay, we have shops, like I'm based in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. There's a place we go to buy things for skincare and soaps and all that. They sell fragrances there, different fragrances. Okay, and they also sell bottles. They sell those vials for perfume oils. I should have brought them to show it to you, my superstars, but it's quite far, so but I'll put it on the screen, okay, so you can see what it looks like. They sell the fragrances in meals, so they also sell different bottles. I know that a bottle, there are bottles you can buy at 180 naira, bottles you can buy at 250 naira, different prices for different bottles based on the size and the design, okay. And we also have different fragrances. We have fragrances that a meal goes for 500 naira. We have fragrances that a meal goes for 1000 naira, depending on the type of fragrance you want. So as a beginner starting, you could start by buying those from there and then you show it to people and make sales. As the market demand increases, you can then stretch your tentacles, go to further places to get them at better rates and better quantities. Okay, so from there you can go to places like Aba in Abia State. Okay, you can go to area market. We have wholesalers of perfume oils, fragrances in the market. Once you ask any transporter, they will take you down there. Tell them you want perfume oils, they will drive you where they sell in wholesale. Okay, my superstars. And we also have in Lagos. Okay, if you stay in Lagos or you visit Lagos, we have it in Lagos Island. We have it at Balogun Market, at Idumota. We have it at Trade Fair. We have wholesalers, people who import fragrances in wholesale to those places. Okay, my superstars. And the next medium you can also get your perfume oil in wholesale is by online platforms. We have Alibaba, we have Jumia, we have Gigi. Okay, these platforms have people who sell perfume oil, so you can do your research and get to buy from them. And okay, so if you follow the 3 steps I have mentioned categorically, step by step, and also check out the markets I had mentioned, you should be able to effectively start your perfume oil business in Nigeria. And don't forget that you can always reach out to me if you have any question. Leave it in the comment section and I will get back to you. Okay, my superstars, if you love contents on businesses you can do to make money, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Okay, my superstars, till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.